Okay, now about a pendulum. Pendulum is a metal ball. Here is the metal ball. It is hung by a flexible thread to a fixed support. This is the fixed support. Alright. Okay, now this pendulum, suppose I raise it from its mean position to one side and I keep it in this raised position only. In this raised position, this pendulum or the ball, metal ball has maximum of potential energy. Remember, potential energy is the energy stored by an object in a given position. So as long as this bob is in this particular position, it has potential energy. Now what will happen if I release this pendulum? It will start coming back this side, right? And when it starts coming back this side, it will start gaining velocity. Okay, it will start gaining velocity. That means its speed will increase as it comes towards its mean position. And when its speed increases, its kinetic energy also increases. Now here it is. This particular bob which was at this position now starts coming back, and when it has come at this position, it has gained its maximum velocity. From here till here, when the pendulum is allowed to come, at this point the pendulum has attained the maximum speed. So at maximum speed, kinetic energy is also maximum. Now after coming here, it will not stop. It will continue towards its other extreme position. This was one extreme position. From here it will continue towards its opposite extreme position at this point. And when it comes at this extreme position, again this pendulum will stop for some times. And when it stops for some times here, the speed which the pendulum had gained at this point will start now getting reduced. And at this point the speed becomes least, or the speed becomes zero. But when the speed becomes zero and it comes into a position, its potential energy becomes maximum. So at this point, at this particular point, again, like in this case, the potential energy was maximum. At this other end also the potential energy will be maximum, because this is the point at which the bob comes to rest in this position. So when the pendulum comes to rest in this position, at this position potential energy is maximum. So look at it now. At this position now, here the ball had started from here, right? Remember, from here it was allowed to, or it was released and it was allowed to come back. So when it was released from here it starts attaining speed increases, and when it comes here it becomes the maximum. So when speed is maximum, kinetic energy is also maximum. At this point the kinetic energy is maximum, and whereas the potential energy which it had acquired over here in this position now starts reducing. Why does the potential energy reduce? Because it is the potential energy which is getting converted into kinetic energy. All its accumulated energy, stored energy which was in the form of potential energy, is now being transferred into kinetic energy. The stored energy is used by the bob to move from one place to another, and when it is doing so, it is converting potential energy to kinetic energy when it is coming at this position. All potential energy which was maximum here now gets converted into kinetic energy. See here, kinetic energy becomes maximum, potential energy minimum or zero. Okay, at this point the potential energy becomes zero and kinetic energy becomes maximum. Now from here it rises up against gravity. When it goes this side, it is rising up against gravity. So when it is rising up against gravity, its velocity starts becoming lesser and lesser. From this point, when it crosses and goes here and starts rising up, its velocity little by little starts reducing. So when velocity reduces, kinetic energy also reduces. And finally, when it comes at this particular position and stops, all the velocity is now zero, kinetic energy is also zero. That means now all kinetic energy is now converted back to potential energy. Now potential energy, you can see, is maximum. So all kinetic energy now is converted to potential energy. The bob will stay over here for some times and again resume back its path. And when it resumes back its path, it will start gaining velocity again. So when it gains velocity, it will start converting all this potential energy into kinetic energy. So this process of conversion of kinetic energy into potential energy and potential energy into kinetic energy keeps on happening till the time the pendulum keeps on oscillating from this point to this point and this point to this point. Okay, this will continue happening. Conversion of potential energy into kinetic energy and kinetic energy into potential energy. Remember one thing, when the pendulum is in extreme positions here, the potential energy is maximum and the kinetic energy is 0. And from these extreme positions, when the pendulum swings and comes to its mean position, it attains maximum velocity, and at that point the kinetic energy becomes maximum and the potential energy becomes 0.